We got our van upgraded thanks to Field Van. Then we hit disaster that will put everything to the test. Join us, Pia and Sean, as we travel with our 3 chihuahuas in our storyteller overland to discover amazing places. Please stay tuned and we thank you for watching.
Look at that. Dire wolf. Dire doggy. Good morning from New Maloney's Lake. We're making some quick coffee. It's a beautiful day out, and we're hitting the road to go check out a trail and show a little bit more about our new mods that we just got upgraded last week. So follow along and we will show you American Camp Lookout Trail. One thing you'll notice about the Q lift upgrade is we have some different shocks, and the Bilstein is recommended. So this is still nice and clean. Good to see. We have kind of a whole new suspension now that is more built with the Ford. I haven't fully measured it yet, but it looks like we got, with this change, about an extra 2 inches. We got a couple different brackets and a couple different things put in the back. So we have the new brackets, and you can kind of see it's a little bit of different shock cover back here. The back stabilization, there's honey. The back stabilization, when you go down and kind of up big corners or curbs, even coming right out of our driveway at home, is like night and day. When you do go with our previous suspension that Storyteller put on the Fords for their upfitting, it felt like the back was like kind of tearing off, and the risk there is that our transfer case and our drive shaft could get affected by that wiggle. And they did find that our transfer case had some metal shavings, so they cleaned that all out, changed the fluid, and we're gonna really put it to a little bit of the test today. It's a trail rated either 2 or 3 by a couple people on Onyx, so nothing too crazy, but we're gonna take it off-road here. And this is a trail that's a little bit north of Sonora, California, and we're gonna be excited to check it out. And Hopefully we won't have to use this anytime soon, but we did use the lights coming in. We got here last night when it was about dark, so we'll show you what that looks like probably tonight. And we got this winch right now. We got it shackled here so that it doesn't rub against that, but we're gonna try to keep this as clean as possible. It's already got a bunch of bugs. It's Chihuahua van life at the lake. Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. We are heading up to American Camp Lookout. It's near Sonora, California, and you'll see that we camped last night at New Maloney's Lake at Glory Hole recreation area, which was only about 10 miles from the trailhead. And we are putting our new Q-lift suspension with the Bilstein shocks and all the new equipment we got from Field Van to the test today. And so far, so good. Everything has been pretty smooth. We just hit the mining camp that has some camping, some paid camping, as well as a membership that you can go pan gold. Shout out to Baja Adventures on YouTube for mapping this trail on Onyx Off-Road. That's how we found this trail. So also big thanks to Onyx. So far this one is matching up with the rating. It's rated as both a 2 and a 3. And had some notes that some areas can get muddy and rutted. We've already hit a couple muddy washouts, and we're heading up to the lookout now. Looks like we got about 4 miles to go, and that's supposed to be the more difficult part of the trail. So we've gone through the easy part, and we will show you as we get up to elevation, because you basically go down to the bottom of the creek or river that's down here, and then you start heading up into the mountains. And there's a couple other trails that we can check out here, but supposedly we can camp up at the lookout, and that might be where we decide to stop for the night. We will keep you in the recording, and we'll keep you up to date. Thanks for watching. gonna get out and help me navigate this one. This is pretty deep rut.
We got ourselves stuck in deep water. We didn't realize how deep the water is going to be. So Sean is setting up the hitch to see if we can try to pull ourselves out. We'll see how this goes.